Hello, today we are going to calculate the activation energy of a reaction whose rate constant is tripled by a 10-degree rise in temperature in the vicinity of 27 degrees Celsius. Given rate constant second is 3 times the first rate constant. Temperature T1 is 27 degrees Celsius, which equals to 300 Kelvin. Temperature 2 is 28 degrees Celsius, which equals to 301 Kelvin. To find activation energy of the reaction. Formula: log of K2 by K1 is equal to activation energy upon 2.303 R into 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Substituting the given values in above formula, we get log of 3K1 upon K1 is equal to activation energy upon 2.303 into 8.314 into 1 upon 300 minus 1 upon 301. Cancelling K1, we get log of 3 is equal to activation energy upon 2.303 into 8.314, which gives 19.147, and simplifying the bracket of temperatures, we get 0.477 into 19.147 is equal to activation energy into 0.011 into 10 to the power minus 3. Simplifying the equation, we get 9.1331 upon 0.011 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to activation energy. Further simplifying, we get 830.28 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to activation energy. Therefore, required activation energy is 830.28 kilojoule per mole. Thank you.